Yeah, we are welcome to question solving on inverse Laplace. And then we have the following questions. Determine the inverse Laplace transform of the given functions. And we have those functions as follows. Question 1. The inverse Laplace, this is symbol for inverse. Then write the function. So this is the function. Then x domain. Because when you are doing inverse Laplace, you are transforming from x domain to time domain. Recall from Laplace table, inverse Laplace of n factorial over x minus a to power n plus 1, okay, for x domain will be equal to because what you are doing in inverse Laplace is you are transforming from x domain to time domain. Okay, so this will be equal to, for the table, exponential, what you have here, a t, and then t what? T to power n. Okay, so that's just that. Then back to the question, the 6 can come to the front of the inverse Laplace. Then we have 1 over x minus 1 to power 4. So, and don't forget from the formula, this is n factorial, this is n plus 1. So that means if we have 3 here, this will be what? 3 plus 1. So in this case now, if this place is 1 and this is 4, so we need to write 3 factorial here, okay? And then we have to cancel that in this place, because 3 factorial was not part of the equation, okay? And then x minus 1 to power 4. Okay, and then 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, and that's 6. So this and this cancel. So the final answer is exponential to power. The attachment here is 1, so that's t. Okay, it's supposed to be a t, but the a in the solution is 1. Okay, and then t to power what? T to power whatever you have here, 3. And that's that on this question. Okay. Question 2. Inverse Laplace of this function. Okay. Also recall from the table that inverse Laplace of b over x squared plus b squared is equal to sine bt. Okay, application of this formula or this table is that whatever you have here, this is b squared, you must have one of these in this place. And you can see here, this is 2 squared, and then we're having 1 of 2 squared in this place. So the final answer will be equal to what? Equal to sine 2t. Okay, so we have converted from the x domain to what? To t domain. Okay. Then the third one, we have inverse Laplace, okay, of the function. So step 1, let's check this quadratic. Can we factorize it? Let's check that. Can we factorize it? There is no way 10 can give you, there is no way factors of 10 can give you 2. So this is what? This is unfactorizable. Then you can use a perfect square, and that will be take 1 of this, then plus half of this, that's 1, square that. And whatever you are adding here, deduct that and square it, plus 10. And this will be equal to what? X plus 1 squared. This plus this, that's plus 9. So we now have inverse Laplace of this over x plus 1 squared plus 9. Okay, recall from inverse Laplace table, inverse function of this is equal to exponential to power of what you have here. This is square, at, then cos bt. So that's the table. Okay, they must be the same. So in that case now to be exponential cos bt. So this will be equal to, let's write this question in this form. That will be inverse Laplace of x minus 1 all over s minus 1 square, then plus 3 square. Okay? And that will be equal to what? Exponential. Your a is what? Is minus 1. That will what? That will be minus t. Okay? And then cos. One of these you can see 3 square. This is a b square. And that will be 3 t. So that is that.